everybody, it's Miss Jenkins here. I wanted to share with you a little science experiment. Last week when we learned about pumpkins, I promised you that we would turn a pumpkin into a volcano. And even though we're not in class, I still wanted to do that with you guys. So first things first, I had to gather all of my materials. So you need a pumpkin. I went ahead and I cut the top off and I already took out all the inside. So all the seeds and the yucky stuff I already took out. So you need a pumpkin. Next, we need some baking soda. And baking soda is this powder. It kind of looks like sugar or flour. This is a very important ingredient for our volcano. We also need vinegar. Vinegar is a liquid. It kind of looks like water. See, it sloshes back and forth. And I heard if we mix vinegar and baking soda together, it'll cause our volcano to erupt. So let's give it a try. I'm going to use a pan here to make sure we don't cause too big of a mess. So you can see it better. Put my pumpkin in here. And first, I am going to put baking soda on just the bottom part of the pumpkin. So I'm going to just sprinkle that in there all the way around. Let's see. Okay. And to make our volcano even more bubbly, I'm going to add a little bit of soap to it. So let's go ahead and add some soap. Now, since it is Halloween, I thought it would be fun to add food coloring to our pumpkin. So maybe the lava could be a different color. So I went ahead and I mixed green food coloring with the vinegar. So it should cause green lava to come out. We shall see. Everybody ready? Let's see if this works. Look at there. It worked. How cool is that? And the fun part is, you guys, if you were to clean out your pumpkin again, rinse it out, you can use any different color of food coloring. It doesn't have to be green. You can do it pink, purple, whatever you like. Anyways, I really wish we could have done this together in the classroom. But I really miss you guys, and I hope you guys are doing well. I want everyone to be safe and have a fun Halloween, okay? I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.